Okay, this is your midterm review for Algebra 1, 2012-2013. Number 1, solve the equation. Use properties to justify each step. Okay, on this problem, we've got two columns. On the left, we have the steps that you perform, and on the right, you have the properties that you need to list to justify your steps. Okay, so let's see. In the first one, they give us a property, distributive, so that tells us what we have to do. So we just look over here on the left. We see the parentheses, so that means we're going to distribute that 3 there and there. So we've got 3 times x is 3x minus 3 times 5 is 15 equals, and then we just bring down the negative 2x plus 30. That's all we have to do for that one. Now for B, they gave us a step. We need to put the property down there. Well, let's see what they did to this. On the left-hand side, they added 2x. On the right-hand side, they added 2x. So they're adding something to both sides. That tells me that that's the addition property of equality. And that's B. Now next, they give us substitution, and that's really just substituting the answer for what we just did. So in this one, looks like we're going to have to combine like terms. I got a 3x and a 2x, so that's 5x. I'll put that on the left. 5x and minus 15 equals, I got a negative 2x and a positive 2x. They go away. It gives me 30. That's all I have to do on that one. That's substitution. Next, again, they don't give us a property. They show us that, let's see what we did to both sides. Again, we added something to both sides. So again, that's the addition property of equality. And that's D. And then we're going to do substitution again. Substitute our answer for that. So I got a negative 15 and a positive 15. They cancel out. All that's left is a 5x on this side equals, and I got 30 plus 15, and that's 45. Substituted. And then down here, it looks like I'm dividing both sides by 5, so that's going to be the division property of equality. And substitution means we're going to substitute our answer there. So 5x divided by 5 is x. 45 divided by 5 is 9. And that is the last part of that problem. We're done. X equals 9. Solve the equation. We used our properties. Done. Now, number 2. It says write an equation and solve for the variable specified. It says 4 times the number x minus 3 times the number y is 10. Solve for y. Okay, I always look for the word is, because that tells me where the equal sign is going. So equal sign there, and 10 is on that side, so I'm going to put 10 here. Put my equal sign right there. On this side, I've got 4 times the number x minus 3 times the number y. Okay, so 4 times the number x is 4x minus 3 times the number y is 3y, and that equals 10. And I have to solve for y. So let me make that an x. Okay, so let's put this up here. I've got 4x minus 3y equals 10. Solving for y, so I'm going to move this x to the other side. So subtract 4x from both sides. That leaves me with negative 3y equals negative 4x plus 10. Could have went either direction, but used to have the x in front. Now I have to get rid of the negative 3, so I'm going to divide by negative 3. I'll divide everything by negative 3. And for my answer, these are gone, so I've got y equals negative 4x divided by negative 3 is negative divided by negative positive, so it's going to be 4 over 3x. I've got a 10 divided by negative 3, that's going to be minus 10 over 3. And that is our answer. answer for that. And that is number 1 and 2.